Hello and welcome to another update video about RNDR. RNDR is showing some weakness here and yeah, we need to pay very much attention to that 171 level. So from that point of view, not much has happened since the last video. The 171 level is the clear make or break point for the yellow wave count to the upside. Below that level, we also have a second wave count that I'm going to talk about if 171 breaks. We talked about that one before. I just want to explain it again. Yeah, at the moment, zoomed out, the chart is producing still this diagonal structure to the upside. So it's not a reliable chart. Diagonals are never reliable, but they work as long as they hold, for example, a trend line. The trend line starts to break here, yeah. And our support is at 171. The wave count suggests this was a wave 1, a wave 2 here in 22, a wave 3 to the upside, a wave 4 and a wave 5, which needs one more high in an ideal world, okay? Because then we could see the wave 5 as an A, B, C structure. So one more high would be great, and this would be a 5-wave move. So I'm looking at here a possible wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4, 5. This is how it would ideally unfold, but the make or break point is 171. Below 171, we need to talk about a different wave count. What I'm getting a bit concerned about is how deep this possible wave 2 is coming, and that RNDR was not able anymore to push above this trend line. Okay, it broke it and it's now retesting from below. And yeah, I can't really push higher. So if we draw the fibs, yeah, then you can see that price is just now at a level where it literally needs to turn around. The 78.6 retracement. Don't want it to break any lower than 185. If it does that, it is likely going to break below 171. But 171 is still the make or break point here. So yeah, from that point of view, what do we need to do? Imminent move to the upside, break above the wave 1 high at 237, and then we can follow this to the upside. But the 171 level, if that breaks, we're looking at further downside in my opinion. What I'm getting concerned about as well is this fairly obvious head and shoulders pattern on the chart. Left shoulder, head and right shoulder, which if broken to the downside at that so-called neckline is breaking, we're heading down. Actually, looking at it, you might even draw the neckline like that, more or less, yeah. So you have a bit of an ascending trend line there. But yeah, if it breaks, then it should take out 171 and yeah, and then it should head down lower. So what would be a wave count and why is this orange box here? Well, that depends, or that is because of the, let's say, the alternative count, the second wave count, where we see the move up here of the December 22 lows as a wave 1, then an A wave down, a high B wave, and we would now be coming down in a C wave, either a running flat or an expanded flat, depending on where the C wave lands. So 1 A overshooting B wave, possible because the A wave would be a 3-wave move and the C wave down off wave 2, and then it can rally in a third wave. Make or break point here, I mean, okay, make or break point is down here at around 40 cents, but the level where things are going to get very bearish already is below 77 cents. Yeah, in this 1-2 setup, the wave 2, as long as it's holding the area between 77 cents and 130, it's all okay, and we can go with this second, still bullish, but short-term more bearish scenario. And below 171, this will become primary. Yeah, so this is my update about RNDR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.